In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and embed custom widgets in Notion. By the end, you'll know how to pick a widget, personalize it, and place it neatly on your Notion page so it looks great and stays useful. First, decide where you want to get your widget. There are several easy, no-code platforms that work well with Notion. Popular choices include Widgetbox for tidy dashboards, IndieFi for clean productivity tools, and TradingView for finance-focused charts. Browse their galleries and choose what fits your workspace, whether that's a clock, a calendar, a weather panel, or a habit tracker. Think about the job you want the widget to do, so it earns its space on your page. Next, customize the widget on the provider's website. This is where you match it to your style. Set the color palette and theme to align with your Notion setup. Dark or light modes both work nicely. Adjust the size so it won't overwhelm your layout, especially if you use columns. For functional widgets, fill in the details, set the correct time zone for clocks. Choose a location for weather, or select symbols for market tickers. If the site offers a responsive or auto resize option, enable it to make the widget adapt better inside Notion. When everything looks good in the preview, find the dedicated embed or share URL. This is important. You want the special link designed for embedding, not just the address bar of the page. Some sites also show an iframe code. If you see that, look for a companion share link inside the snippet or on the same page. Copy the embed or share URL to your clipboard. Now open the Notion page where you want the widget to live. Type /embed to bring up the embed block. Then select it, paste the URL into the box and choose Embed Link. Give Notion a moment to load the preview. You should see your customized widget appear directly on the page, ready to use. Finally, adjust how it fits. Drag the edges to resize the block so it balances with your other content, and reposition it by dragging the block handle to place it exactly where you want, full width for visibility or into a column for a tighter dashboard. If the preview looks off, try nudging the size or refreshing the page. Most widgets update automatically, so once it's in place, you can set it and forget it. That's it. Choose, customize, copy, embed, and adjust. You've just made your Notion workspace smarter and more personal with custom widgets. Thanks for watching.